I'm back on this skiff, and what I am doing here is raising the level of the floor a little bit. Actually, I'm going to put 2 layers of glass down and then these angled pieces to draw the water towards the rear hole. The issue here was basically that underneath the battery, which usually sits in the corner here, the gel coat was lifting and moisture was staying there, so I am raising the deck up a little bit to meet the drain hole a little better, and also to angle the water flow towards the hole a bit more, and hopefully it won't puddle up as much, and that will negate the moisture issue under the battery. And I've also suggested just for him to raise the battery a little bit as well, but the main issue is that the water puddles up. So I've got all my stuff ready to go. Resin and brushes and hardener and rollers and gloves and some gel coat over here. But actually I've got to mix up some color, match the color a little bit, which shouldn't be too bad. It's kind of a light tan. So I'll do that too. But for now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some resin and just, laminate this. So I have got the fiber layers on here, and what I'll do is I'll use a little bit of filler to actually taper off this gully a little bit, or grinder. And honestly I'm thinking the gel coat might just do that for me if I just pour it on there. So either way I have to mix up some gel coat to match. So if you made it this far, go ahead, like this video, share it with your boat buddies, share it with yourself, whatever works. Subscribe so you can get the notifications. I've got 5 or 6 projects going on at any one time, and I post those as I go. So thanks again for watching. 4 minutes is a long take. Appreciate it. Makes me happy if you subscribe. Thanks.